Hello, welcome to the Sovana at Stuart. My name is Stephanie and I'm so happy you joined me today to take a look at this 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment called the Pearl. Come on in. We're going to start over here in the kitchen. We have a beautiful kitchen here, stainless steel appliances, the granite countertop, ceramic stovetop, also the under cabinet lighting. The microwave is over here, and it even has its own little cubby. So moving right along, you can see the kitchen opens up here into the very spacious living room. And through the living room, you'll notice the fan and the light. The balcony door, sliding door here does have blinds. And as we open the door, you can see that the balcony area is screened. See this beautiful green view. It is windy today. And these doors are hurricane impact, so they help to protect us from any storms that we might have. And moving through the apartment, we're going to come over to the bathroom. Have beautiful tile floor here. And the really cool feature in here is this linen tower. Plenty of storage for your linens and your towels. We have the soft close drawers here. The same countertop is in the kitchen. And right over here is the step-in shower with glass doors. This one does have the grab bars here. One can never be too safe. So as we move back out into the hallway, you'll see our hall closet is right here. Up north, it would be a coat closet, but here we could just call it a jacket closet or even an extra pantry. And then behind door number 2, we have the large size washing machine and dryer. It is conveniently located next to bedroom number 1. So as you come in here, you can see how bright and airy it is. Again, the fan, the light, and the blinds. And here is your closet. It is a walk-in closet, complete with an internet modem, all ready to go. And as we move back through the apartment, last but not least, on the other side of the kitchen, we come over to bedroom number 2. What's so great about this room is you could set it up as a den, as an office, or a guest bedroom. Come check out this closet with all the storage space. My favorite part about this room is this little alcove area. It would be so cute with a little desk here, or I would love to see it with an overstuffed chair, a little table, and a lamp. What a great little reading nook area it would make. Let's head back out. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour today of our 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment called the Pearl. This just happens to be our very last Pearl, so I would love to chat with you a little bit further about all the specials that we have. You may reach me at 772-208-7115. I do look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.